Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 265. So if we start with this box here, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering both of these boxes, so our 9 must be here, but I'm not seeing any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 8. 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. No other help here, so 7, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got the 2 here, so 3, 8. 8 here, so 2, 3. 3 and 8 here. So this is our 2, that makes this our 3, 8. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 6, 7. Same here, 6, 7. That means that our 9 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. And the 5 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 6 here, so 4, 5. And no help here, so 4, 5, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 3, 9. 9 covering both of these boxes. And 2 and 6. So 3, 8, 3, 8. And that means that our 9 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 7, and 8. So 1, 6. One here. So 5, 6, 7. One here. So 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6 here. So 7, 8. I think we need an 8 in this box as well. Oh, and that 7 means we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. So if we look in that column, the only place the 1 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 7 here, so 3, 8. 1, 7, and 8 here means this is our 3 and 8. 7 here, so 1, 7. That 7 makes us our 8, 7. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. With that 4, we can get rid of this 4. For this top row now, we're missing 6 and 7. But we've got a 6 here, so 7. That makes this our 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6, but the 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. With that 5 and 8, that makes this our 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 4. That 4 and 5 makes this our 6. That 4 makes this our 6, 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.